Alrighty, how's everyone doing today? And welcome to my channel. This channel's for educational purposes, and we check out all kinds of things that you might not know about because they've been suppressed. These are vital teachings that the powers that be don't want you to know about because they could really help you with your quest for better spiritual, mental, and physical health. And this is a segment we have called the Q-tip of the spear, where we look at the podcasters who cover the cutting edge of the info war, the battle between the globalists and the uh, patriots worldwide. And it is my contention that this war is over and that the patriots won, and that the rest of the time, however long it takes, it's going to be spent um, watching the deep state globalists circle the drain and be punished and grovel and look like idiots. And it's going to be great redemption. And you're going to want to be popping your popcorn. However, I would advise against it because there's a lot more work that needs to be done. The mere fact that you've defeated the deep state doesn't mean that the game's over. It just is starting. Now the next phase is implementation. Okay, you complained about what the deep state has done to you in your life throughout all our lives. But do we have anything better to put in its place? And I would argue that the answer is no. At this point, no. Now, the answer is potentially we do. Potentially there is, um, the uh, potential for putting something together that the rest of the world can rely upon. But it's going to require a lot more soul searching than has been done so far. I think a lot of times, a lot of people out there are a little bit complacent or unconsciously complacent. They haven't. I don't think that this line of thinking has even arisen among a lot of the patriots out there that, well, this whole thing carries the responsibility of making sure that the system that you implement is going to be uh, seaworthy. It's going to be airtight, and it isn't right now because I don't believe that the Patriots have kind of examined the most basic premise of the info war, which is that it's turtles all the way down. Um, Everything that you've investigated from the 21st and 20th century has turned out to be a psyop, turned out to be a hoax, turned out to be a false flag, turned out to be something other than what it was presented to you as. Everything that you believed in, believed in, that you read in the news or saw on the news or whatever, learned in your university, all of it turned out to be a lie. All of it turned out to be something they were trying to manipulate you. But for some reason, you haven't applied that to the deeper level of values and culture and belief systems and heroes and rituals and holidays and val- um, you know all of these things um, are also psyops, hoaxes, false flags, and manipulations, attempting to get you off balance for one way or another. um, in order to deceive you. And as a result, the values and philosophies and beliefs that you are about to kind of foist upon the rest of the world as a result of defeating the deep state and being able to plug in what your agenda, uh, that your agenda is going to be just as contaminated with deep state propaganda as the former, or just about as contaminated as the former, the system that you're revolting against. And so the good news is that it is not too late. This is nothing that can't be fixed by some soul searching, by really sitting down with yourself and really examining all of your values, everything that you believe in, and putting it to the test. You know how to dig. You're a digger. You have dug up all kinds of stuff from the 20th and 21st century. Now you have to apply those skills to ancient history. Apply those skills to, early modern, medieval, you know, uh, history. Figure out what, you know, you don't, and I think you may need a little bit of guidance for that, because what I've seen as far as the holy books are concerned is that um, you tend to give them way too much deference. Uh, like you're kind of assuming that they are what they say they are. You're kind of assuming that they are attempting to tell you the truth. You're kind of assuming that they're good in general. They're a force of good. And um, they don't deserve that kind of deference. Nothing deserves that kind of deference if you're a truther. Everything is, there's nothing that's above scrutiny. No matter how much you want to believe in it, no matter how much your friends believe in it, your family believes in it, no matter how much you don't want to disappoint other people, or even you know sometimes there is even point of view like, well, how dare you question my beliefs? um, yeah, well, you're damn right, I'm questioning your beliefs. That's what I'm here for. you know I'm here to be dispassionate about whether this is one of your sacred cows or whether this hurts your feelings. None of that is relevant. What's relevant is the truth. And if it stands up to scrutiny, then go for it. But if it doesn't, then it's got to be jettisoned, whatever it is. Doesn't matter how many people worship it, doesn't matter how many people are going to get their feelings hurt. That's not for now. And I've watched you do that with ruthless efficiency against the deep state when you attack the deep states, or really the libtards, sacred cows. You don't have any mercy on them. And so nobody should have any mercy on you either. But you do tend to go into this kind of uh, sappy, sentimental, emotional zone where when religion and or patriotism comes up. Like you need to have a certain amount of respect and so on and so forth. No, no, forget that. We need to figure out what the truth is, and I'm sorry if it hurts your feelings. If it hurts your feelings, you probably should figure out that you're probably wrong, because the truth hurts. Okay. Um, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and share with your favorite patriots who have no inkling that their uh, responsibility level is much higher than they think it is. It's not time to sit around and eat popcorn. It's time to clean up your act before the rest of the world bears the brunt of it. All right. Thanks for tuning in today. Come back for another episode of the Q-Tip of the Spear tomorrow. Have a great day.